Hello my lovely foodies and welcome to Recipes You Like. In this video tutorial we are making bread paratha. It's super easy to make and can be taken as a quick snack or a breakfast. Then let's get started. We have taken here 2 boiled potatoes. Let's grate them or shred them so that there are no lumps or chunks in it and the potato mix gets smooth. And now we are going to mix in some spices to make it chatpata and flavorful. Goes in 1-inch grated ginger or ginger paste, then half a teaspoon of green chilli paste, a teaspoonful of dry mango powder, that is Amchoor, half a teaspoon of Garam masala, half a teaspoon of Zeera, that is Cumin powder, add Carom, that is Ajwain, about half a teaspoon, and salt to taste. Give it a mix. Let's also add a tablespoonful of dry fenugreek, that is Kasoori methi. For flavoring, instead of this you can add fresh coriander or fresh mint. Depends on your choice and availability of ingredients. Mix and mash everything together to form a potato dough. Let's keep the dough divided in equal portions for our convenience. Next we will take a fresh soft slice of bread. We have taken here big white sandwich bread. You can take any bread of your choice. Cut the 4 edges of the bread. Roll a rolling pin over the bread slice to make it flat. You need to do the same with other bread slices. Next we are going to apply some butter over it and then place the made filling. Add any shredded cheese of your choice like mozzarella or processed cheese. Now finally, before closing, we will give it a light press. Apply little water over the edges with your fingertips so that we can stick other slice of bread over it. To seal it nicely, give it a slight press with your fingertips. And using a light hand, run the rolling pin over it to make the filling evenly spread inside. Now taking a little bit of butter over your tawa, we will roast this bread paratha till it's nice, crisp and golden in color. Keeping an eye, flip in between and apply butter on both sides. Serve it hot with the sauce or chutney of your choice. Do make and try this easy peasy recipe and don't forget to give your comments and feedback about the recipe in the comment section below. You can even like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel hitting the bell icon to get the latest recipe updates. For more recipe videos you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or TikTok. Till we meet again with another interesting recipe, do try this one and bye bye.